How to make your first $1,000 from YouTube with a small channel. If you're just getting started on YouTube, I imagine you have another job or this is something you're starting to help you grow your business. And the sooner that you start to make money from your channel, the easier it's going to be to dedicate more time to growing your channel, helping you make even more money from your YouTube channel. So in this video, we're going to go through my 2 favorite ways to make money from YouTube with a small channel. First, we're going to go through the 6 ways to make money on YouTube. Then I'll tell you which ones I like and which ones I don't like for someone just getting started on YouTube. Let's get started. The first potential way to make money through your YouTube content is by selling physical products or merchandise. So think of Mr. Beast, who sells millions of dollars of merchandise each year. So t-shirts, hoodies, backpacks, socks. He even sells chocolate and hamburgers. Pat Flynn, for example, created the Switch Pod. My camera is on top of a Switch Pod right now as I'm recording this video. Or Jose from Teaching Men's Fashion, who has a couple of YouTube channels and then launched a fashion brand. So it's something where creating a large audience, selling them something physical can work really, really well. The next area to make money through YouTube content is by selling digital products. So courses, memberships, ebooks. We have a handful of courses that we sell. It's a great way to create something once. There's no cost to make. You could potentially sell infinite of them. There's a big range in terms of selling something inexpensive, maybe an ebook, or having a course that's cohort based that maybe has some coaching and live sessions. This could range from a few dollars to a few $1,000s. This is something that's very, very scalable. The third way to potentially make money from your YouTube channel is by selling a service. So a personal trainer, graphic designer, video editor, real estate agent, financial advisor could all create content for YouTube and get leads and generate sales from their YouTube channel. So this could be something you are an expert on that you've done for years, or maybe you just took a course on video editing or community management and you want to get your very first client. YouTube could be a good way to get in front of people and find your first clients because they loved your content. The fourth way to make money from your channel is through sponsored videos. So a brand will pay you to mention their product, or in some cases create an entire video about the product or service. This could start out as you have a smaller channel, them giving you something for free in exchange for creating the video, or for a larger channel, it could be something where they're paying you hundreds, thousands, or hundreds of thousands of dollars to get in front of your audience talking about their product or service. The fifth way to make money from your YouTube channel, probably the one that most people think about, is the YouTube Partner Program. After you have a monetized channel, YouTube puts ads on your video and they share 55% of the revenue for normal YouTube videos or 45% for YouTube Shorts. So you create content about whatever you want, YouTube puts ads in front of your content, and you make money from your videos. The sixth way to make money from your YouTube channel is through affiliate marketing. So you can recommend products and services that you are an affiliate of, include your links in the description of your YouTube videos, on your website, on social media. And whenever someone uses your link and then goes and makes a purchase, you're going to earn a commission on that sale. So let's first go through the ways I don't recommend for small channels. So that would be physical products. So imagine you're selling merchandise, so a t-shirt, hoodie, sticker, something like that. You could work with Printful. You could have them take care of all the logistics, the payments, all of that. But the thing is here, you're maybe making a couple of dollars per product. So that means you're going to need to sell hundreds before you can make $1,000. The next thing with actually creating a physical product, that's a lot more work. So the Switch Pod, a clothing brand, whatever it happens to be, you're going to have prototypes or samples. In the case of clothing, you're going to have to make sure the samples are good. Then you're going to have inventory on hand. You're going to ship. You're going to have returns. There's a bunch of things to manage with physical products, regardless of it's like just merch or you creating the product. It's a bit too complicated if you're just getting started. The second way to make money that we don't recommend for beginners or small channels is digital products. So a digital product is an amazing way to make money, but if you don't have product market fit, so if you have not been talking about this type of content for years and had tons of customers already, then if you create a digital product, so a course or something like that, you could put a lot of effort into it. You have to create a sales page, create ads, promote it in your content, and maybe it's not something that anyone wants. So you could have a lot of wasted effort creating a digital product and have no sales. Yeah, it could be that you have a $1,000 course, so you only need one actual student to make $1,000. So it's not the worst idea in the world, but it's something that you'll see in a second. There may be a better way to start making money, learn more from your audience, learn more from customers, and then create the best digital product ever after you know your audience better. The third way we don't recommend for small channels is trying to find sponsors for your content. This can be phenomenal when you have a larger audience. People know you. A brand will know, hey, the average video on this channel is going to have thousands thousands and thousands of views. Then by reaching out to brands, or you're going to see when you have thousands of subs, that brands will reach out to you wanting to sponsor content on your channel. But in the beginning, I wouldn't waste any time trying to find sponsors for your content. The fourth way we don't recommend for small channels is the YouTube Partner Program. So the thing is, you can make $1,000 before you reach the metrics for the YouTube Partner Program. So you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within a year, or you need 10 million views of your shorts in 90 days to be part of the YouTube Partner Program. It took me 6 months to get there with Greater Than Enough, my personal finance channel. And the thing is, it took another couple months after that to earn the first $1,000. If you listen to the rest of the video, you're going to find ways where you can make $1,000 before you have 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. That leaves us with two ways to make money that are great for small channels. The first great way to make money with a small channel is to sell a service. So before you have an online course or something like that you want to sell to the masses, make sure that one-on-one people love whatever it is that you do. So if you're a personal trainer or teach yoga, whatever it is, if you see people one-on-one and are getting feedback from them, the thing is, when you go and create a course 6 months or a year from now, the course is going to be way, way better because you're going to have feedback one-on-one with people. And people in general will pay more for something one-on-one than something where they just see pre-recorded content or read an ebook. So it's something you can charge a much higher price point for, and you get to know your audience, which over time will help you create other phenomenal products. So for example, if you did graphic design, maybe a couple of people hire you to create a logo, and 2 or 3 customers is $1,000. For personal training, how many sessions would you have to do to make $1,000? It would be way less sessions with a way smaller number of people to make $1,000 versus trying to sell a digital product. So when you're just starting out, I would say offer a service, get to know your audience, charge more money, and then think about other ways to make money from your YouTube content. If you're just getting started on YouTube, you should definitely check out our 2 new YouTube courses for beginners, Channel Launch Roadmap and 4 videos in 4 weeks. If you want to learn more about either of the courses, check out the description below. The second great way to make money with a small channel is affiliate marketing, or if you saw my recent video on making money on YouTube, referral programs. So referral programs are very similar to affiliate marketing, but there's no application process. You just need to be a customer of a certain business and you can refer people. Either one can work about the same. Sometimes referral programs will just give you store credit as opposed to cash in your bank account, but either way, you can talk about products that you love, that you use all the time. You could create a review, a comparison, a how-to video, or just happen to be using something in the video that you're creating, and some percent of people will go to the description, click on your link, make a purchase, and you will make money from it. So one example that I really like is the Amazon Associates program. So you can recommend things that you can purchase on Amazon. If someone uses your link and makes a purchase on Amazon, anything they purchase within 24 hours of clicking on your link, you're going to earn a commission for. So you could be recommending food and they could buy a TV. Anything they purchase within that time frame, you're going to earn a commission on. A referral program I really like is Rakuten. The great thing with Rakuten for you as a creator is someone uses your referral link and goes and makes a purchase of over $30 or more. They get $30 back. You make $30, plus they earn cash back on whatever they spent money on, from say 1 to 20%, depending on whatever deal Rakuten has at the moment. So for example, you could create content about running shoes and say, hey, I love these running shoes from Nike. You can buy them at Nike.com and pay full price, or you can sign up with my referral link for Rakuten and save $30 plus the cash back on the purchase of those shoes. So it ends up being a win for everybody involved, for you, the creator, for them saving money on the shoes. Nike has a new customer, Rakuten has a new customer, and there's no application or anything else. There's unlimited referrals you can have. Affiliate marketing for me is just a really easy way to make money. For example, if you want to sign up for Rakuten and start sharing it with your audience, my referral link is down below in the description. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and referral programs, check out either of the videos along the side right here. Hope to see you in another video. Bye.